In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add a questions and answers website with WordPress. Whether you're building a comprehensive FAQ section for your business or just need a dedicated space to address common queries, WordPress makes it simple and efficient to create engaging and user-friendly pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a live Q&A page up and running, ready to serve your audience. And if you're new to WordPress, don't worry, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First things first, let's talk about logging into WordPress. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official WordPress website. That's www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the login interface. Now, instead of manually entering credentials, we recommend selecting the Continue with Google option. This method streamlines the process as it allows you to use your existing Google account to sign in. Once you've clicked, you'll be presented with a list of Google accounts that are currently logged in on your browser. Select the one you want to use for WordPress. Choosing the appropriate account is key, since it ensures your WordPress experience is fully customized to your needs. After selecting your account, simply complete the authentication process, and just like that, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard, the central hub for managing your site. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to creating a new page. On your WordPress dashboard, look for the Pages section in the left-hand menu. This is where you can create, edit, and manage all the content on your site. Once you've found it, click on it, then locate and select the Add New Page option. This action will open a blank interface, which serves as the foundation for your new page. Here, you'll want to give your page a title. For example, let's name it Frequently Asked Questions. Remember, a clear and specific title not only helps you stay organized, but also improves navigation for your visitors, making it easier for them to find what they're looking for. Next up, let's add some content to your page. WordPress uses a block editor, which is incredibly flexible for organizing and structuring information. You'll notice a variety of content blocks available for use. These blocks allow you to add different elements to your page, like text, images, or even custom features. For a Q&A page, you might find it helpful to use blocks specifically designed for details or paragraphs. These blocks can help you neatly organize questions and answers into a format that's both visually appealing and easy to read. The block editor essentially works like building blocks. You can mix and match to create the perfect layout for your content. Once your content is added and structured the way you want, it's time to make the page live before publishing. Take a moment to review everything. Look over the content and layout of your frequently asked questions page to ensure it's clear, accurate, and visually cohesive. When you're satisfied, locate the Publish button, typically found in the top right corner of the editor. Click on it, and within seconds, your Q&A page will go live. This step is crucial because publishing makes the page officially accessible to your audience. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and add a questions and answers page to your WordPress site. From logging in to publishing your page, you now have the tools to enhance your site with valuable, well-organized content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.